We offer a range of things here. You can do anything from literally a bumper scuff, stone chips, smart repair, detailing your vehicle back to its original condition. We do mechanical as well, so accident damage, cosmetic repairs from bottom to top. We just want to make the customer's car back to its original condition and keep it up together. Just off the M3, so you've got Chandler's Ford is our main dealer, and Winchester is where the body shop is located. Being a BMW Mini Approved repairer gives us that expertise to make sure the car goes back to its original condition, especially when the standards are so high from the manufacturer. Technicians here have been working for such a long time on the vehicles. That's what sets us apart, is having how much experience that we have here. There's no reason to why you can't have your car repaired by the manufacturer, and that's the most important thing for a customer to take away. You can always come and speak to us first before they go and speak to the insurer to make sure they're getting the best advice possible. The guys very much enjoy doing the projects every now and again. We've made a race car quite a few times here. That was a very long process, but the detail and the attention of all the decals and the coach lines that we've put on it really shows and evidence our skill set here.